Las Vertientes house by Lucas Maino Fernandez in Santo Domingo, Chile. Located in the sector of Las Vertientes in the commune of Rocas de Santo Domingo, 5th region of Chile. The housing project is situated at the back of a plot away from the coast surrounded by eucalyptus trees on its southern boundary. The proposal arises from the need for a family that will live in the project as their first home. So long-term projection and how the spaces will be used in the future are fundamental when proposing the formal aspect. In this way, the idea of separating the spaces and fragmenting the proposal into different units that are connected through intermediate courtyards arises. The common use spaces such as the kitchen, dining room, and living room are initially located, followed by the children's and guest bedrooms, and finally the master bedroom and, as a final touch to the total volume, a guest apartment. Within the required program, the office or workspace is integrated into the block of common spaces and at the same time, it is separated from them in a loft accessed by a protagonist and sculptural staircase in the center of the house. The roof at this point rises and the inclination opposes the rest of the volume, opening to the south and prioritizing indirect light for the office work. On the exterior, the facades counterpose two materials, black micro-corrugated zinc and impregnated pine with a natural finish. This play of cladding also seeks to break the unity of a single volume, through the proposal of diagonals and geometries. The result aims to lighten the arrival to the ground of the proposal, generating the sensation of better contact in the lower part of the project. The proposal orients all the main rooms to the north, creating a direct link between them and the garden, leaving the wet rooms such as bathrooms and kitchen on the south side.